Students, in this video, I will solve exercise 4.2. This is related to rational numbers. Okay, the questions are related to finding the simplest form or the equivalent fractions, or sometimes we will have to represent a rational number on the number line. So I hope you know the basic concepts of number line. As you can represent the integers on number line, we use the same concept, but to represent a rational number on number line is quite interesting. Okay, so we start with first question of exercise 4.2. First question is, express each of the following rational numbers in standard form. So we have to represent in standard form. First, minus 30 upon minus 45. Then if both the numerator and denominator are having same sign, the rational number will be positive. So first convert it into a positive rational number. By the way, ये rational number भी positive है, but हम negative sign को remove कर देंगे तो इसको solve करना easy रहेगा. To express this rational number in standard form, we have to divide both these numbers by another number. तो आपको ऐसा नंबर चेक करना है जिसकी टेबल में ये दोनों नंबर आते हों, means by which number these are divisible. So if you remember the tables, you can find that 15 2 जा 30, 15 3 जा 45. Okay, so this is the standard form of this rational number. The answer is 2 upon 3. Next, second part, 24 upon minus 42. Now again check by which number these are divisible, as these are the even numbers. So if you remember the table, these numbers are divisible by 6, as 6 4 ja 24, 6 7 ja 42. So divide these number, 6 4 ja 24 and 6 7 ja 42. The answer will be 4 upon minus 7. Now third question. Third is minus 216 upon 144. Sometimes the numbers are bigger. उस वक्त आपको डिफिकल्टी हो सकती है. सो यू मस्ट नो द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट. फाइंड द सम. 2 + 1 + 6 इट इज 9 डिविजिबल बाय 3. 1 + 4 + 4 9 डिविजिबल बाय 3. तो ये दोनों नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल होंगे. ओके, तो कैसे डिविजिबल करेंगे इनको? सी, राइट द माइनस साइन. 3 7 जा 21 एंड 3 2 जा 6. देन 3 4 जा 12, 3 8 जा 24. You have to be very careful. Okay, then again 72 and 48 are divisible by which number? So check it. See, these numbers are divisible by 12 again. So 12 4 ja 48 and 12 6 ja 62. Sorry, it is 72. So minus 6 upon 4. Now check if these numbers are again divisible by any other number. So these are the even number, so divisible by 2, and the answer is minus 3 upon 2. Okay, the process is lengthy, but if you can divide these numbers by any bigger number, so that you have to perform the division only 1 or 2 times, then it is okay. Means यहाँ पर हमने इन numbers को कट किया है, means divide किया है more than 2 or 3 times. देखो, सबसे पहले हमने इसको डिवाइड किया, ठीक है, फिर एक बार और डिवाइड किया, और फिर थर्ड टाइम डिवाइड किया. सो 1 2 एंड 3. अगर आपको कोई बिगर नंबर पता है या आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं, तो आप इसको 1 टाइम भी डिवाइड करके आंसर लिख सकते हैं. सो द आंसर इज minus 3 upon 2. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्टूडेंट्स, नोट इट डाउन. 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7 and minus 3 upon 2. And you will solve fourth part in your assignment. All the questions are related to rational numbers. Next question, question number 2. It is express each, okay, represent each of the following rational numbers on the number line. This is the most important question. So number line, first is 2 upon 7. Okay, how to solve this? As you can see, this is a positive number, so our number will be somewhere to the right of 0. सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स 0 के राइट हैंड साइड में होते हैं. ओके, देन यू कैन सी दैट इट इज लेस देन 1 बिकॉज न्यूमरेटर इज स्मॉलर. तो इसका मतलब ये नंबर 0 और 1 के बीच में लाई करेगा. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको समझना जरूरी है. न्यूमरेटर इज स्मॉलर देन डिनोमिनेटर, so the number is smaller than 1, it means it will lie somewhere between 0 and 1. Now this is 7, okay, denominator is 7, so make 7 parts of this distance. 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the 7 parts. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. तो 7 parts बनाने के लिए आपको 0 से 1 के डिस्टेंस में 6 अलग अलग जगह पे कट लगाने होंगे, 6 places, because if you cut this segment 6 times you will have 7 equal parts, because if you cut a line 1 time you will have 2 parts. Similarly, if you cut this distance 6 times you will have 7 equal parts. Now 2 upon 7, so start with 0, it is 1 upon 7, it is 2 upon 7, so this is 2 upon 7. This is the answer. Note it down. This is the first part of second question. Okay. Then second part. Second is minus 13 upon 6. This is a negative number. So all the negative numbers lie to the left of 0. It means we have 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. ओके, ये नेगेटिव नंबर है, ये 0 के लेफ्ट में होगा, बिकॉज ऑल द नेगेटिव नंबर्स लाई टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ 0 ऑन नंबर लाइन. देन न्यूमरेटर इज बिगर, इट मीन्स जस्ट इट कैन बी सिंप्लीफाइड. तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके हम क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड कर लेंगे. ओके, इट इज इक्वल टू 6 2 जा 12. ओके, 1 remainder and this is 6, minus 2 and 1 upon 6. This is the simplest form. So minus 2 and 1 upon 6. Now you have to represent this number on the number line. It is a mixed fraction, but it is very easy. See how to solve this. You can see this is minus 2 and then it is 1 upon 6. तो पहले हम minus 2 को फिक्स करेंगे, means this is minus 2 and it is 1 upon 6 more. अब 2 में 1 upon 6 more करना है, means इसी डायरेक्शन में 1 upon 6 चाहिए. Then we will use the same method. Okay, so as we solved the first part, we will use same concept to represent 1 upon 6. तो सबसे पहले हमें 2 चाहिए, तो 0 के बाद 2, उसके बाद में 1 upon 6. So our number will lie somewhere between minus 2 and minus 3. So 1 upon 6, denominator is 6. Now divide this distance into 6 parts. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it is 1 upon 6. So after 2 it is 1 upon 6. This number is ultimately this is minus 2 and 1 upon 6, because we started after minus 2. So ultimately the number is minus 2 more. It is minus 2 1 upon 6. So note it down. Next is third part. The second question is very easy but very important. Third part. I will not solve fourth part. Okay. You will solve in the assignment. It is minus 7 upon 5. this is a negative number, so it will lie to the left of 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, and numerator is bigger. Okay, it means we can convert it into a mixed fraction. So 5 1 ja 5, 2 remainder, and it is 5. It is minus 1 and 2 upon 5. Okay, so first of all we have an integer minus 1. It means after minus 1 we will represent the number. So at least minus 1 को तो हमें represent करना ही है. So it will minus 1, then 2 upon 5 more means अब 2 upon 5 को हमें represent करना है. So how to represent 2 upon 5? This is a proper fraction, so easily we can represent. Denominator is 5. Now after minus 1 we have to divide this distance into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now there are total 5 parts because we have divided this line 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is 2 upon 5. So after minus 1 it is 1 upon 5, it is 2 upon 5. This point denotes minus 1 and 2 upon 5. Note it down. It is third part of second question. Okay, second question is completed. Now question number 3. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? So it is a very easy question. To find the greater or smaller number, I will tell you a very easy method. Third question, first part, 5 upon 6 or 7 upon 8. So by using a traditional method, we will take LCM of the denominators, then multiply accordingly, and we can find the greater or smaller number. But I am going to tell you another method. See, we will use the cross multiply method. Means आप 5 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 5 into 8 is 40 and multiply 6 by 7. That's why it is called cross multiplication. It is 42. Listen again. Multiply 8 by 5, 40. Multiply 6 by 7. So ultimately we are doing multiplication. That's why this is called cross multiplication. So 6 7 is 42. See, the bigger number 42 is bigger, and by which numbers we get the 42 as the product? 42. 6 7 is 42. Okay, so 7 is on the right hand side. Now 42 is on the right hand side. ये जो मल्टीप्लीकेशन है इसको हम लेफ्ट में कंसीडर करेंगे और इस मल्टीप्लीकेशन को हम राइट में कंसीडर करेंगे. सो द राइट साइड नंबर इज बिगर, इट मीन्स दिस फ्रैक्शन इज बिगर. सो वी हैव टू मेंशन, वी हैव टू गिव द रीजन. 42 is bigger than 40, so 7 upon 8 is bigger than 5 upon 6. This method is very simple for you. You can use it. Next is second. Okay, without any calculation we can tell the answer. Minus 4.5 or 11 upon 20. See very carefully. This question is very easy. You can tell the answer within 1 second. How? This is a negative number. This is a positive, and ultimately a positive number is always bigger than a negative number. Whether it is an integer or a rational number, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इससे. ये नेगेटिव नंबर है और ये पॉजिटिव है. सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर सारे नेगेटिव नंबर से बिगर होते हैं. सो वी विल राइट सिंस 11 upon 20 is a positive number. Give the reason. Hence 11 upon 20 is bigger than 4 upon minus 5. This is the answer. So question number 3, part first, 7 upon 8 is bigger, and in second part 11 upon 20 is bigger, and you will solve third part. Okay, now I solve fourth question. Fourth question is, which of the following pairs of rational numbers represent the same rational number? Same rational number means if you convert a bigger number in standard form, you can tell the answer. So it is first part, fourth question, first part. Which pairs of rational numbers represent the same rational number? 7 upon 4 and minus 35 upon minus 20. Now minus 35 upon minus 20 can be written as, means in standard form, minus and minus cancelled, and these numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 7 जा 35, 5 4 जा 20. हमें बताना है कि which pair of the rational numbers represent the same rational number. First is 7 upon 4, second is also 7 upon 4. So 7 upon 4 equals to minus 32 upon minus 20. You can find the answer and write in this way. So it is answer. In third part, we have to check these numbers, these rational numbers are same or not. So use the cross multiplication method, means multiply 5 by 16 and minus 8 by minus 15. 5 into 16 is 80, and minus 15 into minus 8, that is, it will be a positive number because both are negative, and 15 8 ja 120. Okay, as you can see, 80 not equal to 120, ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं है. इट मीन्स 5 upon minus 8 is not equal to minus 15 upon 16. So whenever you check two or more than two rational numbers which are same or not, use the method of cross multiplication. This is the easiest method. Okay students, I have solved question number 1 to 4 of exercise 4.2. Questions 1 to 4 of exercise 4.2. In next video I will solve the next questions. Okay, so do practice honestly. Best of luck.